Good morning, everyone. Hope you're getting a great start to your week. It is launch day, and I have put a link in the description below so that you can see it. There are two different ones that are being offered, a basic and also an advanced. The advanced includes the basic. The difference in the advanced is that there's a super secret Google trick that I have discovered that makes this thing like just burst. Just to let you know, I did share this with a few people within the SEO realm who have a lot of influence and that you guys have mentioned, said that you trust. Um, you should see a few videos from them this week, hopefully. I got one of them last night, early this morning, and these people have seen the advanced version of this. And so I thought I would actually play one of them for you just so you can get an idea.
So my experience with the new training is getting a call on Friday night, spending about 10 to 15 minutes with Mark, and my jaw hit the ground. I was like, holy shit, this is incredible. Um, I've never seen anything like it. And as far as someone that uses Google News sites, um, fucking incredible.
Wow, thank you, Brian. That says a lot. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this. And again, the links will be in the description. So let me know if you have any questions. Also, in that advanced training, there will be additional weekly calls where we go over some other strategies that are being used with this. Again, let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.